Okay, so here's my second example. We're going to go through this problem with those same steps that we talked about on the very first video. But this one's going to be a little bit different because the first thing that we have to do is to find our equal and opposite variables. So if you notice, we have equal variables, but we do not have opposite variables because we have a positive 2x and a positive 2x. They're equal, both of them are 2x, but they're not opposite. Both of them are positive in this situation. So the next step says make them equal and opposite. So to make them equal and opposite, we're going to have to multiply one of our two equations. Doesn't matter which one, you get to pick. We're going to multiply one of our equations, by -1. And I'm going to multiply the whole equation by -1 because that's going to give us a -2x. It's like I'm distributing this -1 to everything in here. So now I have -2x, -1 times positive 3y is -3y, and then -1 times positive 4 is -4. So now we have a -2x. And I'm just going to rewrite my first equation down below so that I can see them matched up again. Okay, so now we have equal and we have opposite variables because I have a -2x and a positive 2x. Now we can go ahead and solve. So first thing we have to do is, I'm going to change my color here, we'll go with teal. Okay, so my -2x and my positive 2x cancel out, and now I have -3y plus 7y, so -3 plus 7 is going to give me a positive 4y equals, and now I have -4 plus 12. So this is going to be like 12 minus 4, which gives me 8. And I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides to get y by itself. So I end up with y equals 8 divided by 4, which is 2. And now that I have that variable solved, we plug that in to one of our first two equations. Doesn't matter which one, I'm just going to use the top one. And I get 2x plus 7, oops, it's plus, times 2, because I fill in 2 instead of y, equals, whoops, oh my goodness, 12. So now we go ahead and multiply the 7 times 2, so I get 2x plus 14 equals 12. Subtract 14 from both sides. 2x equals 12 minus 14, which is -2, and you divide by 2 on both sides, so we get x equals -1. So our final answer is -1, 2. That's what we would fill in.